Now that you've explored with your Hide Zero cards on that really fun website, we're going to be talking about the value of a digit. Here's some vocabulary to look at. In standard form, that number is 234. In word form, I would write out 234. And in unit form, it says 200s, 310s, 41s. And then I have the drawing right here of my 200s, my 310s, and my 41s. The value is what a digit stands for. Remember, a digit is a single number. So in the number 234, that's a 3-digit number, 234, right? If I have the number 1000, that's a 4-digit number. Let's pause so I can quickly show you. A digit is a single number that stands for something. So 234 has 1, 2, 3 digits. 1,489 has 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. And each of these digits stand for something. So for example, if I have a $10 bill, that's the same as $10. It stands for $10. Now let's look here. The 2 in 234 stands for 200. The 3 in 234 stands for 30. The 4 in 234 stands for 4 ones, and you can see the picture here. What you're going to do next is find the value of each of these digits. So you can either draw it or type it. I have the number 342 here. If on your screen, on your Nearpod, you're going to decompose this 3-digit number to show the value of each one. So it should look like this. What was that number again? 342. So I've got 342. And then on your Nearpod, you're either going to type or write the value of each of the digits. So my first one is 3 in the hundreds place, so that has the same value of 300. My 4 is in the tens place, so that stands for 40, and my 2 is in the ones place, so that stands for 2. You're going to do this on your own on your Nearpod. You're going to find the value of each of these digits in these 3-digit numbers. You've got 342, 605, 416, and 750. After that, you're going to do some more questions on your exit tickets. You're going to answer some more questions on the Nearpod, and then you're going to take an exit ticket on Google Forms. Have fun!